Welcome back. Today's topics are losses and wins, emotional balance and frustration in your trading, and the best approach to take on dealing with these emotions to become more mentally sound in your trading and have a stronger psychology. I hope this is helpful to you, and I hope the knowledge that is shared in this can be used and implemented into your trading and your psychology. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the link in the description if you need a binary options trader broker or a forex trader broker or even the FX simulator, which is helpful for your backtesting. So enjoy this video and I hope you get value as always. So losses and wins, don't get lost in them. How do you deal with a losing streak? How do you deal with a winning streak? What is your reaction and relationship with losing? What is your reaction and relationship with winning? It feels terrible to lose. It feels great to win. My recommendation is when you have a losing streak, step back. When you have a winning streak, step back. Don't get too attached to them. What you are focused on as a trader is just your system, one trade at a time. What happened in the past for your losses doesn't matter, only when you learn from them, right? So what happens in the future with your wins doesn't matter, only what you can do better from them. But as far as the way it affects your being and affects your emotions for you to want to chase those trades or think that every trade is going to be a winner, that is where you could mess yourself up. So take a breather, take a step back, even if you are going through losses, even if you are going through wins, because you don't want to think that the next trade is going to be a massive winner, so I'm going to over leverage on my trade or risk way too much, and then all your wins could be wiped out. So you want to maintain a constant flow of discipline. So don't get lost in your wins and don't get lost in your losses. Step back. Remember, this is a long-term game. If you're trying to make money immediately, if you're trying to make money too quickly, you can, but you could also lose as well. All depends on your risk you're willing to take. But a general rule of thumb for the individuals that are here for the long game and the patience and the boring game and the waiting, step back. When you win, step back. When you lose, step back. Okay? So I hope this section provided some sort of value to you on how to approach losing and how to approach winning, right? Don't take anything too personal. Don't take the losses too personal. Don't take the wins too personal. Just understand that, okay, you were executing your plan. This is what I plan to do. Win, lose, or draw. This is what I plan to do, and I executed based on that plan. Whatever happens, happens. I did not lose, I did not win. I just executed my plan, and it turned out to be the best probability of what happened for me. On to the next one. Understood? So let's move on to the next topic. Emotional balance. Protect your flame. Don't let what happened in trading interrupt your life. Don't let what happened in your life interrupt your trading. To reflect on the previous topic, which is stepping back to center yourself. Stepping back to keep your flame lit. Emotions could have your flame swayed or have your flame blown out, and you don't want to be blown out in this game, right? So when your wind is blowing a little strong, step back. When your flame is blowing a little too high, step back. Always put your emotional balance first. Take your time, breathe. Everyone has different exercises. Some people meditate. You could even play video games. You could go for a walk. You could work out. But protect your balance, your emotional balance. How you react to things is very important. You don't want to lose a trade through a tantrum. You don't want to win a trade and through a victory tantrum. You understood? You want to be sound, you want to be balanced. And this takes time and this takes practice. Remember, trading is not all about the strategy and this and that. It's really about you becoming a better individual. Understood? So emotional balance, protect your flame. Find your way of finding your balance. Understood? So I hope this provided some sort of value to you. It's not complicated. It just takes practice to center yourself. Don't get too involved in the market. Don't get too roped into it. You understand? Don't be too obsessed. Treat it like a walk in the park. Easier said than done. Understood? So But the more you go around, the more you find out. So take it easy, step back, breathe, be more aware of your surroundings and yourself. Some people meditate. But overall, protect your flame. Don't blow your account. Don't blow your flame out. Don't let your flame get blown out. Protect your flame. Come back better, stronger every time. Make it your best interest. Right? So I hope this section provided value. On to the next topic. Frustration. Just a touch a bit. This is the red zone. We have all been here before. We have all experienced this before. We understand and we know the feeling. We want to be as far away, as frustrated from the market as possible. The market should not frustrate you in any way. The market should not upset you in any way. You shouldn't be getting to this point to be frustrated. As a beginner, yes, you have to experience that. That is where you earn your badge. You have to experience that frustration so that you learn that it's no way to be. You understand? This may come from consecutive losses. Shit just not working. You might be blaming the broker. All type of situations. You're revenge trading, trying to recover losses. Like all of this could build and fester, but you're losing sight of the bigger picture. You're losing sight of this side of you which needs to remain calm and needs to remain balanced and need to remain clear and focused. Understood? So frustration, you're not focused, you're not clear, you're not thinking straight, you're not in your right mind, you're overwhelmed with emotions. You want to detach yourself from the markets, step back as long as you need to. The market is not going anywhere. Step back a bit, reanalyze, rejuvenate, balance out, and then come back. You understand? So these are emotions that we all feel. Is how we deal with those emotions moving forward. Understood? So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you got some sort of psychological value for your trading. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And for binary options trading, you can click the link in the description below. Forex as well, or the FX simulator. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful to you. And happy trading. Have a great rest of your week. Yep.